Go ahead, Judy.
Actually, it's Julie.
Yes, of course. Where's my head today? I'm sorry. Go ahead, Julie.
I don't know. I've been feeling lately I'll get depressed. My husband and I, we've been arguing over silly things.
I see. And, when did he stop beating you?
What? No, he never.
I'm sorry. You say you've been depressed.
Yes, usually in the mornings after the kids have gone to school.
I see. And, have they finally stopped beating you?
What? I don't know.
Julie, I'm gonna level with you, okay?
Okay.
Do you trust me, Julie?
Well, I don't really know.
Damn it, Julie! We are talking about your life here now. Do you trust me?
I want to.
Good. That's good. You've just taken a very big step on the long, painful, expensive, nightmarish, tear-soaked, horror-filled, drug-laden, virtually unending road to recovery.
That's good.
Julie, what I'm about to tell you may seem unbelievable, may be utterly untrue, but it will shock you nonetheless with its implications for future earnings in this quarter alone.
Future what?
The sad truth is, dear Julie, that you have single personality disorder.
Oh,
And your children suffer from CBS.
CBS.
Childlike behavior syndrome. It's caused by either being held too much, or not enough, or not at all. We're not really sure, but we see it in kids aged 6 to 60, and the symptoms can be quite delightful. Oh, and your husband is a race-baiting closet case.
But you've never even met my family.
Nice try, Julie. Pipe?
No, thank you.
Interesting. Now, Julie, what did Dr. Floyd say about looking at Dr. Floyd?
Nothing.
Very good. I see this all the time. People come into this office or onto the set of Oprah and tell me things you wouldn't believe. I'm gonna write you a prescription, Julie, for a powerful drug that will help you see things more profitably. You can expect occasional dizziness, loss of appetite, and an unfailing dependency on my viewpoint. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, that's excellent. Because if you did, I'd smash you in the goddamn face. We like to kid around here, Judy.
It's Julie.
Yes. Well, we'll see about that. Well, it looks like we're just about out of time, but I think we can squeeze in some mutual oral gratification if we get busy.